Hi, I'm Sophia from QRCodeKIT. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track QR code scans and understand what happens after someone scans your code. With QRCodeKIT, you can see useful scan analytics directly from your dashboard. You can check your total scans, scan activity over time, devices, countries, cities, and locations. This helps you understand if your campaign is working, where people are scanning from, and what devices they are using. For example, you can see if scans increased after an event, a product launch, a social media post, or a printed campaign. You can also use location data to compare performance across different cities, stores, or regions. And because QRCodeKIT QR codes are dynamic, you can improve your campaign without reprinting anything. If the data shows that something is not working, you can update the destination, change the content, or improve the landing page anytime. That is the power of QR code tracking. You are not just creating a QR code, you are creating a measurable touchpoint. Every scan tells you something. Create your dynamic QR code, track your scans, and understand what happens after the scan with QRCodeKIT. With QRCodeKIT, bring any QR code idea to life.